Hello and welcome to Code Study. I am Rohit, and in this video series we will exploring the world of data structures and algorithms in C#. Data structures and algorithms are essential concept of any programmer who wants to work with large data sets and optimize program performance. In this series, we will start with the basic data structures including array, linked list, and work our way up to more advanced structures like tree and graphs. We will also cover various algorithms such as sorting, searching, and traversal, and examine their strength, weakness, and typical use cases. Throughout the series, we will provide hands-on example and practical applications to help you reinforce your understanding of the concepts we cover. By the end of this series, you will have a solid foundation in data structures and algorithms. We will as a strong grasp of how to implement them in C#. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced programmer, this series will provide you with the skills you need to take your programming to the next level. So if you are ready to deep dive into the world of data structures and algorithms in C#, then don't forget to subscribe our Code Study and hit the notification bell to stay up to date with our latest video. So let's get started. So first we will talk about the content. So first we cover the data structures like linked list, circular linked list, doubly linked list, stack, queues, and binary trees, binary search tree, heaps, hashing, and graphs as well. And after the data structure, and we will looking into the various algorithms like recursion, searching algorithms, sorting algorithms, and traversal algorithms.